Sairam children, how are you all? I hope that you all are fit and fine at your places. Children, today in our maths class, we are going to continue our same chapter. Chapter number 12, Can We Share? So children, in book we have done, in workbook we are doing this chapter. So same with that, we are going to continue in our workbook. Up to 5 questions we have done. Today we are going to start with our 6th question. Chapter 12, Can We Share, in our workbook. So children, take out your workbook. Let's start with our chapter. Okay. So children, today we are going to continue with our 6th question. There are 48 bottles equally put in 8 trays. There are 48 bottles equally put in 8 trays. How many bottles are there in each tray? So children, let's see. Total number of bottles, they are talking about 48, and number of trays, that is 8. So 48 divided by 8, that will give you 6. That means 6 bottles. 6 bottles are there in each tray. So in 8 trays, how many bottles? In one tray, it is 6 bottles in each tray. Understood? Now next, there were 63 sweaters sold equally in 7 days. So there are 63 sweaters. Okay. Sold equally in 7 days. How many? That means 9 sweaters were sold each day. Means total number of sweaters they have given you. And they are telling that in 7 days it is sold. So how many sweaters? That means 9 sweater will sold in each day. So 9 sweaters sold in each day. Understood? Same with that you will do on your own 3rd and 4th. Okay children? Now come to next question. Question number 7. Divide the following and check the answer using multiplication. Fact, an example has been done for you. You can see 28 divided by 7. That will give you 4. Okay. 7 4s are 28. But when we are using multiplication fact, then we are taking this 7 and number of this, what we get, that will be multiplied together. That will give total number what we are having here. Understood? So you have to use in the division property multiplication fact. So next you can see 56 divided by 8, that will give you 7. So 8 multiplied by 7, that will give you 56. Understood? Next, same you can do with next both 2 parts. 18 divided by 2 and 35 divided by 7. Understood? You should understood what division property we are using where and how we are using multiplication fact. Now Come to next page. Question number 8. In this, you have to fill in the blanks. Somewhere they are given you answer. You have to use with the help of multiplication fact or division property. Like in first, they have given you dash divided by 9 is equals to 5. Means what we will get when we divide 9 by that number. So, if we are doing 9 into 5, that will gives you 45. So, this when we are using multiplication fact and when we are using this total number, that is same. So, in blank it should be 45 divided by 9, that will gives you 5. Understood? But we are taking total number what we have to use. So that's why I applied this multiplication property, so that I will get that number. That what should be divided, that we will get 5. Next, 49 divided by 7. You know very well. That will gives you 7. That will gives you 7. Next, you will do on your own. Next part also, dash divided by 15 is equals to 2. That also you will do. Now we will do this part. 18 divided by dash, that will gives you 1. So what number should be divided? That will gives you 1. That will gives you 1. So you can see when we will divide, what number should be divided? Yes, you can guess. 18 divided by what? That will gives you 1. That means 18 divided by 18, that will gives you 1. You can check 18 multiply by 1, that will gives you 18. So this number and this number is same. So we are going to apply multiplication fact property or division property, that should be same. So your blank should be 18. Next, you can do on your own. Dash divided by 10, that will gives you 10. Means you will write here 100. You will write here 100 divided by 10. That will give you 10. How? I have done by this fact. 10 into 10, that will gives you 100. So this and this is same. Understood? This you will do on your own. What 14 should be divided? That will gives you 14. That means, yes, 1 multiply by 14 is equals to 14, or you can divide 14 divided by 1, that will gives you 14. Understood? Now, these you will do on your own. These you will do on your own. Understood? I hope this property is clear to you. Understood? Like what you will get here, 8 8 ja 64. So 64 divided by 8, that will gives you 8. Understood? Okay. Do your work in the workbook very neatly with date wise. Now come to next. In this we have to see match the following to show the formation of group using division. In this you have to see according to the division property. Now if we see first in this you can see number of pairs and total number of things were there. Like in first eraser, these are eraser, and you can do with total numbers. So I will tell you, because half on one page and half on other page. So first I am telling you like this. We will count first, like two pair they are given. Okay, and how many pairs they have given, you can see. They have made 3 pairs. Like how they have made, you can see 1, 2 and 3. In this one pair it is 6. Okay, and total they are 18. So we will match this with this part. 18, total number is 18 divided by 3 is equals to 6. So you will write first here. Now second, you can see in this pencils were there. Number of pencils are 21, and in each pair it is 3. In each pair it is 3. And how many? Total number of groups, that is 7. You can see 1, 2. We are counting in slanting form. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. And in each group it is 3 pencil. So we will match this with this one. 21 divided by 7 is equals to 3. So we will write second here. Understood? Now one more I will tell you. These are Coke bottles. In they are total number, that is 20, and in each group there are 5 groups, and in each group it is 4 bottles. It is 4 bottles. You can see total number is 20, and in each group it is 4, and total number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 20 divided by 5 is equals to 4. So this is your third part. Understood? Next, total number of bananas, that is 18. You can see. And in 2 groups are there. 1 and 2 means 1 and 2. And in each group it is 9 banana. So we are going to match with this 18 divided by 2. That will gives you 9. It means this is your fourth part. Understood? Now we will see scissor. There are total number of scissors 24. Total number of scissors 24. Okay, you can count. And 3 groups are there, and in each group it is 8. So 24 divided by 3, that will gives you 8. So this is your fifth part. You can count it. You can see how 1, 2 and 3. And in each group it is 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Understood? So 24 divided by 3, that will gives you 8. So this will match with your fifth part. Understood? Now come to next question. Multiply and choose the correct option. There are three options. For example, first one, it is battery. It is battery of inverter, I think. Okay. So you can see we have to choose the correct option. So total number of batteries are 20. You can count 4 and groups 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. If we are going to multiply 5 multiply by 4 means 5 group and 4 batteries in each group, that will gives you 20. So we are going to tick on A part. Understood? Okay. Same you can do with both the part. Second and third you will choose on your own. You will see how we are using the division and multiplication fact, and out of these three options you have to choose the correct option. You have to use first multiplication fact. That's why we have done 5 into 4, that will gives us 20. Why we have not used 4 into 5? Because there are 5 groups. Here we are writing groups. Here we are writing each number in group. So that's why we have chosen A option. Next two parts you will do on your own, and if you turn your page, these two part also you will do on your own. Okay, in this last I am telling you once again, like 24 flowers are there. Okay, and you can see how many groups are there. You can see over here in each group it is 2 group. No. 3 groups. No. 4 groups. You can see in each group how many flowers are there. 6 flowers are there. Yes, you can see like 1, 2, 3 and 4. In each group it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 4 into 6, 4 groups, 1, 2, 3, 4. And in each group it is 6. So that will gives you 24. So our option is C. Like this you have to see and you have to tick on correct option. Understood? Now come to next question. Question number 11. Complete the following. First part, in this you have to see what sign they have given. According to that you have to do. I will do second part for you. First is done. Second we will see. First we are having a sign of multiplication. So 6 is a 36. Okay. Then 36 minus 6. Minus sign is there. So we will get 30. Now 30 divided by 3, that will gives us 10. Now 10 plus 5, that will gives us 15. Understood? What signs we are having, according to that we have to do it. Like one more I will do for you. Rest of the part you will do on your own. From 4th you will do on your own. Now let's see third part. 30 minus 10, that will gives you, in A box you will write 20. 20 divided by 2, in B box you will write 10. 10 multiplied by 3, that will give you 30. Now 30 plus 15, that will give you 45. So here you will write 45. According to that, you will continue with that and you will do correctly, neatly and correctly. Up to 10 you will do on your own. Okay. Now come to statement problem. In statement problem, you can see 27 chocolates were equally distributed among 3 friends. How many chocolates did each of them get? So, you can see 27 divided by 3, that will give you 9. 9 chocolates each of them get. Understood? Now next, if there are 72 buttons and the tailor puts 8 buttons on each shirt, then how many shirts were stitched by the tailor? This you will do on your own. This we have done in our book exercise also. Okay. Next, the cook takes 5 minutes to make one omelette. If he has 40 minutes, then how many omelettes he make within this time? So 40 divided by 5, that will gives us, yes, 8. Means 8 omelettes he can make within 40 minutes, because in one omelette he is taking 5 minutes, and in 40 minutes he will make 8 omelettes. Okay, 40 divided by 5, that will gives us 8. Means 8 omelettes he can make within 40 minutes. Now next, the distance between Delhi and Faridabad is 48 kilometers. If Radha travels 6 kilometers in 1 hour, how much time will she take to cover 48 kilometers? This also we have done in our book exercise. You will do on your own. Now last, cost of balloon is ₹7. How many balloons can be bought in 70 rupees? So cost of balloon is 70 divided by 7 is equals to 10. Means one balloon cost is 7. So how many balloons can be bought? 10 balloons he can bought in 70 rupees. Okay children. So workbook portion we have done of chapter 12 can we share. You will do very neatly in your workbook with date. So children, thank you and bye.